Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to bring the enchanting world of Studio Ghibli right into your daily productivity routine? Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up a stunning Studio Ghibli-themed Notion dashboard by using a free template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a workspace that not only keeps you organized, but wraps every task in that whimsical Ghibli magic. Let's dive right in and make your Notion shine with a bit of animated wonder. Alright, to start, we're going to take advantage of a free Studio Ghibli dashboard template. Using a template is a huge time saver, and it gives your setup a polished, professional look right from the beginning. Don't worry if you're new to Notion templates, I'll walk you through every click. When you're inside Notion, look up at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a little drop-down menu next to the name of your current page. Go ahead and click that. It's basically the gateway to a ton of Notion features. From the menu that appears, you'll want to find the More Options section. Sometimes it says Browse Templates directly, depending on how big your window is or your device, but in either case, you're looking for the option that lets you explore templates. Click on Browse Templates. Give it a second to load. Notion's template gallery is huge. Once you're in the gallery, head to the search bar at the very top, type in Studio Ghibli Dashboard, and you'll see a few different templates pop up. Take your time to scroll through the options and look at the previews. Some dashboards are minimal and dreamy, while others pack in a ton of productivity tools alongside beautiful Ghibli illustrations and color themes. Find one that feels right for you. Maybe you want a calming, Totoro-inspired workspace or something that channels Spirited Away's adventure vibe. There's no wrong choice. When you found the template you want, just click it. This will give you an overview of what's inside. You can usually look through the main sections or see a demo of how the template works. If it feels like a good fit, hit the Add button. Notion will now create a copy of the template in your workspace. This process is automatic, but depending on your internet speed, it might take a moment, so don't worry if it spins for a few seconds. Now the fun really begins. With the template loaded, start adding your own information. You can paste in your credentials, details about current projects, or creative ideas you want to track. Don't be shy about making it your own. Notion templates are fully customizable. Change the cover images, swap out icons for your favorite characters, or adjust the color scheme to match your favorite Ghibli film. The template is just a starting point, a springboard for your creativity and organization. And that's it. You now have a Studio Ghibli dashboard that's both beautiful and functional, perfect for keeping your daily life a little more magical. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give the video a like and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own Ghibli-inspired creations. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on creative Notion tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.